Ladies and gentlemen, this country is in the middle of a giant constitutional crisis. And Loretta Lynch, the Attorney General, who has protected Bill and Hillary Clinton and the massive crimes they've committed, the lady that meets with him on the tarmac while she's supposedly over their criminal cases, has now pled the fifth against self-incrimination. You can only plead that when it means that you basically believe it leans towards proving the fact that you're guilty. We're talking about almost $2 billion that we know of. The number keeps growing. That was illegally given to Iran. They first lied to Congress and said it was $500 million. And that's the issue. They lied to Congress. They broke the law. They've done it on so many fronts. They're acting outside of the separation of powers of the executive, the legislation, and of course the judicial. And Congress must act. We've seen the FBI refuse to give their basic files to Congress as part of this investigation. We have seen unprecedented, above the law, lawless garbage going on. But the reason I'm standing here by these big fountains is they are indicative of just the torrent of corruption raining down on America. And it's time for the American people to continue to speak out and continue to say no. I know state grand juries are looking at indictments right now. Federal grand juries are looking for indictments. The word is Hillary's being looked at for indictments for the latest emails that came out, not the new Wiener distraction, but where they were ordering their people to cover up the emails and the fact that Obama was communicating secretly with Hillary under a fake name. This is all so illegal. It violates federal law and the whole four-year system. It violates our open government rules and laws. But the fact that Lynch is having to say that she's declaring the fifth is unprecedented. This hasn't happened since back during the days of Dick Nixon. And listen, Richard Nixon deserved to be removed. Now, one other point. I filed other videos today on Infowars.com dealing with the fact that the word is Obama is going to pardon Hillary if Trump is elected. And I saw comments saying you're only pardoned after you're convicted. Anybody can Google, and I can put this on screen for you right now. In fact, I will. That most pardons have been before someone's convicted, and it's in the Constitution. And it happened under Nixon with a whole bunch of people as well, but also folks that were being convicted. We're running a lot of fans down here. So, ladies and gentlemen, this intel is from our federal sources. All right? This is happening. And Hillary is in deep trouble. But if she gets in, she's going for it all. But the WikiLeaks are breaking through. They are hurting her. This is very, very serious news. Now, more reports coming up. I'm going to file a bunch this weekend. I'm going to file like 4 more tonight because we're on fire with this breaking news. But Loretta Lynch has taken the fifth against self-incrimination. I'm Alex Jones with Infowars.com. We're now like 8.5 days out. It'll be 8 days tomorrow until this most historic general election.